Hey guys, what's up friends? My name is Kyle Maddox, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to get Solana completely for free, how to earn Solana without spending any money. This idea has been bothering me for the last 2 months, guys. That's why I've been researching different tools on Reddit, various pages, and honestly, I've gone through almost everything, guys. Most of what I found is either old stuff from 5 years ago or complete garbage that doesn't work, because 95% of what people post there is just a scam trying to steal your money. So please be very careful with that. And today I want to try something actually what caught my attention, guys. In today's video I want to test it and see how it works, what it is, and if it's alleged. As always, I'm not telling anyone to do anything. Everything that is shown in this video is my personal experience. This is purely entertainment and educational channel, guys. I don't even know if this video will be released, because usually when I run into some bullshit, I don't post it. So if you're watching this right now, it means this actually might be interesting. That's why I recommend watching from very beginning to the end, and if you miss something you can always go back at the moment any later. Alright friends, first of all I want to remind that I have my own Telegram channel where I share all this kind of information, and I have also crypto community, so you can find it by its name. You can pause the video right now, copy the name if you need it, but be aware because there is a lot of scammers try to pretend to be me and ask you to send something. So first of all, I never ask you something. Alright, and I only test tools and show everything like here on my channel. Okay, so here I have an interesting post that mentions one tool, and today I want to test it and to see how it works. So make sure you watch this video till the very end to understand what I'm doing here. Alright, so here's a few different settings, and I'm gonna choose this one for today test. Okay, and here I'll skip this step for now, so I'll remember this move and go forward. I'm gonna go here, and here's basic setup process, guys, and all the information you see here is available in the open sources. So the calculator I used here in this tool is also publicly available, so there's nothing private here. So once again, stay careful, guys, and I just need to exactly send all in the information what I need. So this is the second one, and the third one I guess I just can type like that. Alright, so the loading process looks good. So now let's see what I will get to the end. Okay, so there is an arrow pop up, and I think I know what to do. So give me just 1 minute here, I will quickly fix the situation. It's not a big deal for me, so just need to choose like that. Grab this one and let me open my app. Alright guys, this is what I'm gonna use today for testing. Let me go there, let me just enter, let me choose what I really need like that. I think that's gonna be nice for today's test, and all I just need to wait. So the processing has started. That's nice. And while we're waiting, guys, you can leave your comments under this video. So I literally read every single comment, and I very often use some tools you guys send me in my videos. Okay, so yeah, that's already updated. That's really nice. So all I just need to go back to the game, just close it and try to reopen it again. Usually it helps, updates everything faster. And let me check here. Yeah, as you can see, it's already there. That's really nice. So I'm just gonna continue. And yeah, and look at this. Everything is become more interesting right now. So all I just need to make a small preparation here, and I literally need to just follow the pictures what I see. The process is very simple right here. So I'm gonna press there, here, and there, and let me check. Yeah, looks nice. It's even cool, guys. So I'm gonna try one more time to be sure everything responds really nice. So okay, so I got a second picture that's really awesome, and this is quite simple. So 2 is there, and the other 3 on the top, and let me just try. And yeah, everything worked, guys. As you can see, that's actually surprising. Wow, because I've tested over 100 tools, guys, and almost none of them worked, but this one actually looks interesting. So by the way, now comes the most important moment of this video. Let me try to send everything back, because this is exactly why I make these videos. This is the reason I'm filming this. So let me just try to find the place where All I just need to grab my information like that. So I'm just gonna take it, going back here, and just enter it in this field. All right, and confirm. All right, guys. All right, it looks like the loading process can start, and that's awesome. So it's already updated, and let's go back. Let's go back to my main. And from what I understand, everything works pretty fast here, guys. So I just need to wait until it appears, and I'm actually a bit nervous, guys. I refresh the page and wait the update here. And yeah, look at this, guys. Everything is already here, guys. It's all here already. Wow, this is such an interesting experience, guys. Look at that. Yeah, look at this. As you can see, everything is already in a place, guys. This is fantastic experience. What a great video, guys. So if you like this test, subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a like, and I'll try to make more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in another one.